Ever feel like you're constantly playing whack-a-mole with your finances? Dreading that end-of-month bank statement surprise? You're not alone. That's where budgeting apps like Inab, You Need a Budget, come in, promising a path to financial freedom. But is Inab the budgeting nirvana it seems? Let's talk about the elephant in the room, the drawbacks of Inab. Steep learning curve, buckle up, buttercup. Inab's core philosophy is fantastic, assign every dollar a job. It sounds simple, but mastering Inab can feel like learning a new language. Gone are the days of mindless swipes and auto-categorization. With YNAB, you're manually entering transactions, assigning categories, and reconciling accounts. This can be incredibly time-consuming, especially at the beginning. Imagine this, you're excitedly setting up Inab, ready to conquer your finances. But then you get bogged down in the nitty-gritty, figuring out the difference between inflow and outflow, wrestling with sinking funds, and understanding the age-old Inab question, but where did I budget that money last month? It's enough to make you want to throw your phone across the room. No autopilot here, active management required. Inab isn't a set-it-and-forget-it app. It demands your constant attention. Updating transactions, reconciling accounts, and adjusting categories become weekly, if not daily, rituals. This active management style can be a double-edged sword. While it forces you to confront your spending habits head-on, it can also feel overwhelming, especially for people with busy schedules. Farewell, free? Not quite. Unlike many budgeting apps, Inab isn't free. There's a subscription fee, which might seem like a small price to pay for financial peace. But for budget-conscious individuals, it's an added expense to consider. Forget fancy features, Inab stays focused. Inab is laser-focused on budgeting. It won't track your investments, manage bills, or offer sleek financial reports. While these features might seem like bells and whistles, for some users, they're essential tools for a comprehensive financial picture. Bill pay? Not on Inab's menu. Inab integrates with many banks, but it doesn't offer bill pay functionality. You'll still need to log into separate platforms to schedule payments, which can be a hassle for those seeking an all-in-one solution. Is YNAB still your budget BFF? So, is Inab all doom and gloom? Absolutely not. For many users, the structured approach and focus on proactive budgeting are life-changing. Inab excels at building financial awareness and breaking the cycle of living paycheck to paycheck. The verdict: Inab's a commitment, not a quick fix. Inab is a powerful tool, but it's not for everyone. If you're looking for a hands-off, feature-rich budgeting app, you might want to explore other options. But if you're committed to taking control of your finances and willing to invest the time and effort, Inab can be your key to financial freedom. Ultimately, the best budgeting app is the one you'll actually use. Consider your needs, lifestyle, and budget before taking the plunge. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.